Cities cannot speak, but they are always seen. Hello everyone, I'm DW. Today we are in Carleton Place, a charming town located in eastern Ontario. Carleton Place belongs to Lanark County, situated on the west side of Ottawa. It takes about a 45-minute drive from downtown Ottawa along Highway 7, making it a typical commuter town in the Greater Ottawa region. Its population in 2021 was around 12,500. Between 2016 and 2021, the population grew by approximately 17.6%, a growth rate significantly higher than both Ottawa and Ontario as a whole. A river named the Mississippi River flows right through the town, which is the one we see right now. This Mississippi River is not the famous one in the United States, but a river in Ontario, Canada, which eventually flows into the Ottawa River. The Mississippi is not just a river next to the town. It is the town's soul and directly shaped its history. You could say Carleton Place is a historic town, built and developed around the Mississippi River. Its earliest European settlements trace back to around 1819. Back then, it was called Morphe's Falls, as the river created waterfalls and rapids, suitable for powering grist mills and industry. Later, it gradually evolved into an industrial hub for lumber, textiles, machinery, manufacturing, and railways. So walking through downtown today, you'll see vintage stone buildings, red brick structures, historic shops, the old town hall, rivers and waterfalls, legacy industrial buildings, and numerous historical murals. All of these are concentrated in a compact area. So taking a casual stroll here feels like stepping back into history. The street we are walking on right now is Bridge Street. Many historic buildings along this road use local Beckwith limestone as construction material, giving the architecture a quintessential Eastern Ontario town style. The local tourism authority has even created 2 self-guided historical walking tours. One of the most eye-catching landmarks is the Carleton Place Town Hall, built in 1897, designed in the Richardsonian Romanesque style. It stands as one of the town's most important historic landmarks. The town is also home to a famous historical figure, Captain Arthur Roy Brown. He was a Canadian fighter pilot during World War I. According to official historic records, in 1918, he was credited with taking down the famous German ace, Baron von Richthofen. That's why throughout the town center, you'll find historical exhibits and murals dedicated to Roy Brown. The bronze statue you see right now is him. Another unique feature of Carleton Place is its town murals. There are numerous murals painted on building walls that depict local history. How many can you spot? Let's go and explore together.